Do you know that this short clip like this contains about five things? This is what I want to show you about Grok. How Grok makes your videos for you.
How much is this
As you are
fruit?
watching this video, you will not
It's
notice that this
500
video
naira.
is cut and join. You see that
Will you take
Grok
300?
plays the role,
I want to buy
cut,
two.
join, make everything look simple. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you the advantage that Grok has over uh, other sites that generate video as well. Okay, so I know that a lot of people are complaining that Grok is quite expensive, that they can't afford the price of Grok. They prefer maybe using Flow AI and other. But here is the thing: using Flow AI, it will give you, maybe you use like 10,000 to buy 2,000 credit. Okay, so now when you buy the 2,000 credit, you cannot use that 2,000 credit to generate more than 20 to 30 videos, and you will exhaust the credit. You understand? So same with the other side. You understand? So for me, I prefer Grok. You understand? And with this Grok, you can be four or three join together to subscribe Grok. You understand? So let's go deep. Then I will show you more advantage of using Grok to generate your videos. Okay. So what we'll be needing now is just generate an image prompt. Just have your image. Okay. Maybe uh, go to ChatGPT and generate your image. Once you have your image, then are good to go. Okay. So now let's dive into to, to Grok. Okay. Now I have to click my Grok. That is my Grok. I have account with Grok. So all I have to, look like my network is not strong. All I have to do is to click on this plus sign icon here. Then I'll click edit images. Okay. Then I'll have to, let's say I'll have to click this image here. Okay. Then I'll have to, yeah, I'll have to paste my prompt. Okay. But now I don't have any prompt. So what I will do is go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt, a video prompt of this particular image. Okay. So without wasting much of your time, I will have to go to ChatGPT, click. Okay. Now I'll have to type. Okay. Or I can make use of my voice note. So I have to use voice note. Hi ChatGPT. I have I have an image. I have a clear picture of a young girl. So yeah, a young girl in the market. So I want you to write a video prompt for me when the girl is walking towards the uh, towards the shop that has a shop that's selling fruits. Maybe she will now price how much is this fruit. Maybe by that time she must have picked one of the fruits, holding the fruit in her hand. You understand? So I want you to generate prompts, make it clear. You understand? When she must have asked how much is the price of this particular fruit, then the seller will now come out slowly. Don't make it look like AI. Then the seller will now come out and maybe the seller the seller will say, oh, it's 500 naira. Then the buyer now, which is the girl I have her image, will now say, you said 300, I want to buy two. You understand? Then the seller will say, okay, bring the money. You understand? So I want this video to be, let's say, 60 seconds. You understand? Maybe when she's walking towards the shop, 6 seconds. When she's about to pick the fruit, 6 seconds. When she's speaking to the seller, 6 seconds. When the seller is responding, 6 seconds. When she's asking or pricing the fruit again, 6 seconds. Then the seller now replying the final part. You understand? Should complete it the 30 seconds. So I want everything to be 30 seconds. I don't want it to be longer so that people that are watching will understand exactly what I'm talking about. Okay? So make it short, clear, and straight. Okay? So now I have sent my command. So let's wait and see what ChatGPT will give us. Okay? Alright. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I'll just have to click the copy from here down here. Okay. Then I'll go back to my Grok. Then I'll have to paste it here. Then remember to change this your change this from this image here, this image icon to video icon. You understand? Yeah. So my video currently is 6 seconds here. See, 6 seconds. You can change yours to 10 seconds. So I will leave mine at this 6 seconds. Okay. So we just have to click send. Okay. So we have to wait, have to be patient. Please do well to watch this video to the end so that you will learn a lot of things and you see the reason why I choose Grok over other video generators. Okay. So let's wait. Okay. Let's just wait a bit. Okay. I have to send them feedback so that, yeah, I'll have to go back to my agility and copy the second place into. Then I'll stop here. Then go back to my Grok. Then you click this three icon here. Click on extend. Then okay. So with this second part is into, we make it 12 seconds. 6 is 12. Okay. So we have to click send icon here. All right. I don't think my network is strong enough. Okay. So in this, now you will see that Grok will help you to merge the two video. You understand? You don't need to drag it when your final part, which is editing in CapCut. You don't need to drag scene 1 to CapCut, drag scene 2 to CapCut, drag scene 3 to CapCut, drag scene 4 to CapCut. All this Grok will help you to merge the three of them. You understand? All scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, 4, 5. You understand? So that is one thing I love about Grok. I have used other video generator apps, but there is no one compared to Grok. Okay, so let's wait and see. Perfect. Just watch how he did the fruit without acting like AI. You understand? There are some videos that you generate when she gets to this point, she just scatter the whole fruit just to pick one fruit. You understand? So what Grok needs is just give Grok the perfect prompt and it will act professional. Okay, so let's go back to ChatGPT and copy the okay. Okay, okay, let's go. Extend is another 6 seconds, so making it 18. So just have to click send icon. If there is something you don't understand about this Grok, you can ask me in the comment section or through my email, and I promise I will reply. You understand? So any question regarding the iMovies or this faceless content, or okay, the filter is ready.
How much is this fruit?
Okay, you see. So let's go to ChatGPT and pick the okay. Okay, just have to click extend again to make it 24. I have to click extend again.
How much is this fruit? It's 500 naira.
You see? Okay, so let's go and generate Okay, this is the final part. So I'll just
How much is this fruit? It's 500 naira. Will you take 300? I want to buy two.
okay. So I'll just have to save the video here. Then
How
if I
much is this fruit?
if I have
How
other
much is this fruit?
I have other clips, this is the same way I'll be generating all of them till I get to the last scene. If the scene gets to 60, this is the steps I will be taking to generate all of them. You understand? So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, please do well to comment, ask your question, share and like. Thank you.